Let's talk about oil. So if you have been following me, 31st of March when they talk about ceasefire and Iran responded that they are open to it. I told my community right up that it's not going to happen. I don't believe it. One of the things that we could look into is some of the agreements or the ask or the warranty will not be fulfilled, and there'll be a long stretch. And of course, I've already planned my trade. I only share this to my inner circle community, and the reason is because they have learned my trading skill set and they will not follow my analysis blindly. There'll be an active communication, and that's what it's about, right? I've said that I'm not saying that's going to happen. I'm looking to short go. I'm looking to buy like crude oil, WTI, and of course, I'm planning to short Nasdaq when there is an opportunity to do so. Once again, this is not a trade call. This is me sharing with you my perspective. And of course, what we see is that when the ceasefire was in talks, we have seen an immediate bearish movement pullback. We play along with it, but we are always open to trade the other way. And this is what happens, right, when there is no deal, right? What really surprised me, it happens really faster than I expect. I was expecting this could drag at least 3 days for the oil to have more retracement. Apparently not. So there are a couple of things we are looking at. Of course, I do not support any parts of this war that is going on, but let's see what we can make out of these. And of course, we can do whatever arrangement we like when we make some money from this, right? So for the 4 hour chart, what I see the earliest level that allows me to have a more reasonable price for a counter trend trading opportunity is 117.05. So at that level, I will still want to see my magic candle confirmation to engage the trade. So when you're able to see all analysis is just forming up at a price that we are waiting for further confirmation, and the confirmation happens, only then we could engage the trade, right? First up, we have to follow this APE over here, right? So over here, I've already put our mascot up, so it's easier for you. Remember, analyze the market, then you start to plan your trade. Are you going to trade with the trend or against the trend? And last but not least, execute the trade as you have planned to do so, and do not intervene it if you do not have such rules of doing it. Right, on the 1 hour chart, we have a much more immediate price that I'm looking at is at 113.06. So at this price, I will still want to see my magic candle confirmation. So if you're not familiar with our in-house magic candle confirmation, then of course some other ways is to use like your bearish engulfing candle in this example, or your 3 bar reversal. However, you want to learn more about that, then drop me a DM. So that's my plan on oil. I'm looking for the next shorting opportunity, but at this moment, buying opportunity, I'm open to it. On the 15-minute chart, support level 103.65 if it happens, or if not, the much more immediate will be 107.65, right? Drop us a link and follow our community for an immediate update of our perspective.